Everyone talks about how TikTok Shop affiliates changed their lives, with some creators making tens of thousands of dollars from a single video. The best part is that you don't need to show your face or spend a fortune to make it work. Look at this faceless video. This video made $139,000 in the last 7 days from TikTok Shop affiliates. Here is another faceless video. They don't even speak in the video and made over $186,000 in the last 7 days. Today, I will show you how to create faceless product videos that bring you thousands of dollars in revenue using the power of AI. I'll create 3 AI-powered video examples featuring products from different categories, so you can identify the best style for the product you want to promote. I'll also talk about something crucial: protecting your account from sudden bans. A surprising number of creators claim to have lost their accounts early on. Imagine you work hard to create videos. You start seeing success, sales are coming in, and suddenly your account gets banned. That's why today I will share some key things to watch out for to keep your account safe and your business growing. I'm breaking down the entire process step by step: how to use AI to discover the hottest products for the TikTok Shop affiliate, create killer product videos without even showing your face, and strategies to maximize your earnings. Before we get started, I wanted to quickly mention something. I know this might sound a bit self-serving, but I wanted to be upfront with you. I spend a lot of time creating valuable content for you, and I'm happy to share it for free. Based on my channel analytics, I've noticed that over 92% of you watching haven't subscribed yet. I understand completely, and I appreciate you taking the time to watch my content. All I ask in return is that you consider subscribing to the channel and giving the video a like. It would mean the world to me. Thanks for understanding. So here are the key factors that you need to keep in mind when selecting the product you want to sell. Good commission rates. You want to pick products that pay you well enough for your time and effort. I will show you how to do it in a minute. Problem-solving potential. Products that can actually help your viewers solve a problem or make their lives easier. Create emotions or curiosity. A product that makes people feel something or sparks their interest. Viral potential. A product that is interesting and people will want to share with their friends on TikTok. The product should have a proven track record of sales. It's important to choose items that have already shown popularity and customer demand. Finding products that tick all these boxes is very time-consuming. Thankfully, there is a tool called Calodata. It helps you find the best-selling products and best-performing videos for the TikTok Shop within minutes. This site is a daily essential if you want to succeed with TikTok Shop affiliates, so definitely do not sleep on it. Just to be clear, this video is not a sponsorship video. I am showing it to you because it's the go-to tool for top TikTok creators. I've included a link in the description for a 7-day free trial. Check it out. If you love it and decide to continue after 7 days, use the same link to get a 10% discount on your purchase. Let's quickly take a look at the pricing plan. After your 7-day trial, if you love it, you can choose a plan to continue using the tool. Click Start your 7-day free trial. I'll just give you a quick tour. When you scroll down, you'll see the list of the top selling products. Then we have the top creators, which are the creators who generated the most revenue in the past 7 days. Then we have the top shops, which are the TikTok shops that generated the most sales. And then we have the top videos. These are the best performing videos in the past 7 days, as well as the top live streams. On the top of the page, click on the product tab. On this page, we have a list of the top selling products. It's been automatically sorted by the products that generated the most revenue in the last 7 days. The number of items sold, the average unit price, and the most viewed videos in the last 7 days. If you want to see the data for the last 30 days or a certain period, you can just go to the filter, select the time frame, and hit submit. You can also sort by category. Let's say you have a specific niche that you sell in or create content for. You can select the exact subcategory here. Hit submit to apply the changes. Most physical products on TikTok Shop have commission rates of around 10% to 15%. This means you should aim for products priced somewhere between $30 to $150 to make a good profit. Anything lower might not be worth your time, and higher priced items often have more competition. Finding that sweet spot between $30 and $150 is usually a good starting point. Let's choose this product, the vacuum cleaner. The most viewed videos for this product are faceless. If I hover over the thumbnail, I can see the exact video that generated the result. If you click on it, there is an option to download the video without the watermark. You can also export the script. You can either copy the script and rewrite it with ChatGPT to make it unique, or you can select the AI optimizer and Kalo AI rewrite the script for you. Now, if I click on the product, it gives me more information. On this page, you can see what shop is selling the product. If I scroll down, I'll be able to see the top creators' info and then the videos that performed the best. You can also see if this video was based on organic traffic or paid ads. This little ad icon on the left shows the traffic came from paid ads. Let's say for the vacuum cleaner, the commission is 10%. So this creator has made $10,250 from this video. You can see top creators are killing it. If I click on her info, it takes me to the creator's detail page. On the right side, it has her info. You can see the video on her TikTok page. It's the most viewed video on her page that's got over 10 million views. Here we have super useful information. If I click on the video, it gives me all the information I need, the tags they used, and what music they played. These are super helpful when you want to create your video for a similar product in the same category. You can use the same tags and music to help your videos go viral. One thing I want to show you is that most of the top videos are created by small accounts. You can see the number of followers they have. The first creator has 49K followers, and the other ones have like 5,000 or 6,000 followers. This shows you don't need to have millions of followers to generate the most revenue. Right now, TikTok's algorithm is giving a big boost to smaller creators. Now that we have a list of top-selling products, it's time to create our video. AI is a great option to create engaging product videos. The first category that I want to choose is the health category. Let's say we want to sell this micro-ingredient vitamin D3. The curve shows that's growing in popularity. Click on it. Here we have the product detail information. Hover over the name and copy the product description. Now we go to Amazon and search for this product. Now click on one of them and copy the URL. Next, I'll head over to Flicky AI to craft the perfect product video. Many top YouTubers swear by InVideo for TikTok Shop affiliate videos, but Flicky is truly the product video specialist. It has a dedicated feature for creating product videos and a generous 180 minutes of creation time each month. Compared to InVideo's 50, Flicky is a game changer. Sign up for a free Flicky account using the link in the description. You'll get some free credits each month. But if you are serious about making money and crushing it on TikTok Shop, you're going to need to upgrade to a paid plan and use the discount code in the description for 10% off your plan. After signing up, you're going to see this interface. Click on New File to start, name your file, and select the language and accent. The aspect ratio for the TikTok video is 9:16, and we want to start with a product, so I'll select Product from the drop-down menu. Submit, and here I'll paste the product URL that I copied from Amazon. Then I'll select a template. Let's go with this template for this example. Hit Submit to start processing. The video is ready. The AI created multiple scenes using the images and the script it pulled from Amazon. Let's see how it turned out.
Introducing micro-ingredients double-strength vitamin D3 plus K2 coconut oil sachets. Efficiently absorbed formula with D3 as cholecalciferol and K2 as menaquinone, MK7. Each pouch contains 300 easy-to-swallow mini coconut oil-infused sachets. Provides 10,000 EU vitamin D3 and 200 mg vitamin K2 per dose. Supports calcium absorption for bones and teeth, joint health, immune defense, and heart function. Fat-soluble vitamins D and K are better absorbed with healthy MCT coconut oil. Non-GMO, soy-free, dairy-free, gluten-free, preservative-free, and thoroughly tested for purity.
The video looks great. Making this video myself would have taken forever. AI made the visuals amazing, but the story is weak. We need to add more feelings and a better story. If you analyze top-selling videos, you'll notice a common structure: the hook, problem solution, call to action. You can also add FOMO, fear of missing out. This is a strategy that most marketers use, creating some kind of scarcity or urgency to encourage them to take action, like telling them this price is only for a limited time, so order it before the price goes up. I'll go back to Calidata and click on the top performing videos. Alright, the first one doesn't have a script, she doesn't speak in the video. The second one, I click on it and copy the script. You can either use the AI optimizer to rewrite the script or use ChatGPT to create a script. I'll use ChatGPT to create the script. Here is my prompt: rewrite the following script, create a hook, main, and call to action. This script is great. Now let's go back to Flicky. I'll replace the script with the one I got from ChatGPT. To make the video even more engaging, let's break the script into smaller sections. This way, the AI can generate a different image for each part. I can simply click on the plus icon to add a new scene. Each scene has multiple layers, so you can edit each layer. I will click on the delete icon to remove the previous text layer. After you replace the script and add new scenes, if you would like to change the voiceover, click on the scene and pick a different voice from the list. You can also clone your voice if you want to use your own voice. Once you're happy with the video, click on download and start exporting the video. Now, let's explore another powerful way to create product videos using Flicky. I'll go to the dashboard, create a new file, name it, and this time I'll select Script from the drop-down menu. Now I'll copy and paste the script from ChatGPT and hit Submit. The video starts processing. Now I'll click on the scene and click on Media to pick a different footage that fits my script. I'll do it for all the scenes to find a better image that matches the script. Now we got to the scene that talks about the product. I'll go to Calidata and download the images of the product. I will go back to Flicky and add the images of my product. Click on Media, go to my library, choose Files, and upload the images. I'll break the script into smaller sections to use all my images in the video. Some of my images don't fit the screen properly. To adjust the image for better visibility and fit, I'll click on the scene and the settings panel will open on the right side. Let's reduce the height to 50 and set the top position to 25 to center the image. You can customize your video by uploading your own background music. To boost your video's visibility, I recommend using trending tracks from the best performing videos, as TikTok's algorithm often favors viral sounds. Let's watch the video.
Struggling with a stubborn belly pooch, or feeling puffiness in your face? It might not be what you think. High cortisol levels can wreak havoc on your body, from bloating and a less defined jawline, to adult acne, mood swings, and constant fatigue. But did you know that high cortisol can be linked to a vitamin D deficiency? That's where this amazing supplement comes in. It's packed with vitamin D3 and K2 /. Just one pill a day has transformed my life. Better sleep, more energy, and no more anxiety from overloading on caffeine. It's a game changer.
Once you're happy with the video, you can download it. For the last example, I will choose a different product. Let's this time select the vacuum cleaner. I'll copy the product description. I'll go to Amazon and search for the product. You may need to read its description to make sure it's the same product. If you can't find the exact same product on Amazon, then you may use the other method to create your video, which we tried earlier, starting with the script in Flicky and uploading the product images to create the video. I'll go to Flicky and paste the product URL, select a template, and hit submit to start processing the video. Let's see how it turned out.
Homica cordless vacuum, sold by NextGen Deals. Introducing the Homica Pro version cordless vacuum, designed for ultimate cleaning efficiency. With a powerful 28 kPa suction, it tackles dirt and debris effortlessly. Enjoy up to 50 minutes of run time on a single charge. Choose from 3 speeds to suit your cleaning needs. The telescopic design ensures you can reach every corner with ease. Powered by a 300-watt brushless motor, it delivers consistent performance. Equipped with an 8-in-1 heat BA filter, it's perfect for all floor types. Rated 2.8 stars. Order today for $79.99.
I think it's great. Again, we can use ChatGPT and create a stronger script, which I suggest you do, and replace it with the script it pulled from Amazon. I want to quickly talk about something super important: avoiding TikTok violations when making product videos. So here's the deal. Don't screen recording of TikTok videos. Many creators mistakenly believe they can avoid detection by screen recording others' videos. This is pretty much the same as stealing. Don't repost your own videos or other people's videos. TikTok doesn't like that. If you repost your own content, they flag your video and remove the affiliate links from your video. If you repost other people's videos, your account might get deleted. If your video is not original and authentic, you'll have issues. Don't over-exaggerate the benefits of the product. Be honest. Always base your product descriptions on facts and accurate information. Don't use the words doke, weight loss, or similar words and the names of other companies or brands. To avoid violation, keep all of those words out of your script and hashtags. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you found this helpful, I'd really appreciate it if you gave the video a thumbs up. Jump in and try this out yourself. Click on the link in the description below to start creating product videos and see what you can come up with. Thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Until then, take care.